How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. Now, it's quite simple and easy and a bit complicated too. Now what I meant by that is that there is very low chance of recovering a message on Messenger once you have deleted it, unlike WhatsApp and Viber. Now here is what you can try it. However, simply open up Messenger and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then you'll find a gear or the settings icon just beside your profile name. You can see the gear icon here beside my profile name on the screen. Tap on the settings icon and then scroll down until you find the option account settings. You can see under account there, account settings. Tap on account settings here and it'll load you up to this page. Now what you want to do is scroll down below and under your information you can see download profile information. Simply tap on it and here you'll be able to request copy of your data on Facebook. Now what you want to do is deselect all. Now since you want to recover only your messages, and if you extract only messages from your message history, then this will be a lot quicker. So you can see the third option, messages exchanged with other people on Messenger. Tap on it, make sure the check mark is on, and then what you want to do is scroll all the way down below and then tap on create file here. You can see it has requested for copy. Now once your copy is ready, or once your data that you have requested is ready, Facebook will send you a notification and then you can download it, and once you download it you can open up and watch it up on your device. So this way you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.